Welcome to today's episode of the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Oreo Milkshake, one of my favorite ever beverages. What I've done is I've made this marvelous beverage, absolutely amazing. Just look at it. Just have a look at it. So let me give it a taste. I haven't tried it out yet. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! Wow, I had a very intense football match yesterday. Ran a lot. You know, it was very aggressive. It was very intense. I come home, I was very dehydrated. Last night I was tossing and turning and I was having some sparkled water. But then today I wake up and I was like, you know what? Oreo milkshake needs to be made. So it's been made. It's delicious. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, let's begin by adding in 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. There we go, 2 scoops are inside. Add in 1 glass of milk. Like so. Next, you want to add in 1, 2, 3, 4 Oreos. I have this date syrup. I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of date syrup. This will give it just that something special, that extra special sweetness. Okay, that's gone in. We have one of our favorites, cacao powder, superfood. So I'm just gonna add in a tablespoon of this. And now it's time to grind this. Okay, now it's time to grind this now. Okay, so this is the grinded mixture. You want to get a quarter of 1 Oreo biscuit and just crush it a little bit so that you will use this for presentation purposes. So I will place this right on top of this, so it kind of gives it just a bit of a good presentation. And that's pretty much done. Okay, you saw how to make that magnificent, that out of this world, this out of this galaxy, it's out of this stratosphere Oreo milkshake. So do try this out. Comment below whether you are going to try this out. Comment below whether you like Oreo milkshake or what other milkshake you like. Maybe you like Ferrero Rocher milkshake. Maybe you like a fruit milkshake, like banana milkshake. So let us know. So with that said, do like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. And with that said, catch you in the next one.